Wow, I look a mess. What's up, YouTube? Just now waking up. It is 11:21. I live in Central Georgia. You know, Hurricane Irma is supposed to be on the way. It is raining pretty hard, and yeah, it's on the way. Let's go see what's happening. Oh man. Let's go to my front porch. Oh my gosh. Dude, like all this rain, I hope it doesn't flood. The camera is really not catching it, but it's raining really freaking hard. Like, really freaking hard. And the trees are blowing. Yeah. Do you not see? It's coming. It's definitely coming. So literally we had to move all of our patio furniture so it wouldn't interfere. My mom is over there moving the grill, and yeah, it's getting pretty serious out here, as you can see, but we ain't leaving. So Hurricane Irma, bring it on, bitch. Bring it the fuck on, ho. You see them trees? Like, it is so windy out here. Like, seriously. Oh my gosh. Like, them trees is moving, honey. So the lights went out. So we're gonna see if the breakers pop. We're gonna see if the breakers pop. Oh, we're gonna see if the breakers pop. Oh, get out. I don't even know if I got any of that. Oh, let me scoot in then.
As long as all of them are this way.
None of them popped in.
Yep, because see, this is on and that's off, and this is off on this side. So none of them popped.
That's disgusting then. Mm.
So
I was hoping y'all popped.
No, they probably hoping they pop too.
That's sad.
So we just out of power.
We just out of power.
Not a power company.
So we ain't got nothing to live for.
Nothing.
And I can't even charge my devices. What you gotta say about this?
I am just disgusted.
I am disgusted too. Like,
My food better not go bad.
I can't even. Bye.
Computer warranty repairs, press 1. For all billing.
Alright, so it is 5:20 and it is still raining outside, but I mean, it turned into just a tropical storm. But our city is going into a 6 to 6 curfew, and that means everybody has to be in the house by 6 basically, and can't leave till 6 in the morning. And yeah, so we're about to rush out, get something to eat before it's time for the curfew. So we'll see what we find.
So we can't even pull in. You
So
don't know how to drive.
everything is packed, either packed or not open. It's so many people, like, it says drive-thru open. We chose Taco Bell. McDonald's isn't even open.
Cookout open.
Cookout open, taking all the money.
Packed up food.
It's like an apocalypse.
And we going to jail at 6 p.m.
We're going to jail. It's 5:30.
And we're going to be full.
Look, that line is ridiculous.
We're getting our last meal in.
Literally, like, we gotta get a lot of food because our lights and stuff is off.
Look at that stupid white car. Your dumb ass.
Exactly, you should cut in front of them.
Piss their asses off. Take your stupid stuff up. You know people trying to get in here.
Other viewers, what you just did.
I just pulled in Cookout because ain't no power at my house. I'm trying to get some food.
And we just cut, like, major cut.
Well, I gotta get in here.
We getting it up in it, man.
What is she talking about? I'll follow these people here.
You gonna get out? I'm just gonna stay in line.
The line must be around here, which is probably what she told her.
Oh, like it was when it first opened.
Right. They about to be out of food. God, don't
We're gonna have to get an onion ring because that's how much out of food they're gonna be.
I should have went to Publix and got some chicken.
Even if you did get chicken, we're probably gonna cook it.
No, that's already cooked, remember?
Oh, they probably out. Somebody was probably thinking about that earlier. Because when you went to sleep, the rain had stopped a little. Not stopped, but it was like real light. That's probably when everybody left.
Dang it.
And went to go get something to eat. Wow, man. Look, some of that roof came off. You see it?
Oh, yeah. Mexican grill.
We should have came when we first passed by Cookout.